We've been here since about 2007. When my husband and I first came, this was all grass and 3 huge spruces in the front that were way overgrown. And as my friend Lisa used to say, there are creatures in those trees, Beth, you need to get rid of them. So we did, and the grass was forever a pain. But then, you know, I had success with other things, and it just sort of grew. And a garden for me is an evolution. It's always changing, and it always will. You can sit here today, and then 2 months later come back, and it'll be completely different. And then 2 months from there, it'll be completely different. So it's a constant wave of color. Right now, I don't have so much color because everything's sort of in transition, but it is what it is. You should come back when the magnolia blooms, though. That's magnificent. You're at my favorite bench. And when I started this, I wanted to feel like I was at a park, but I was right outside my front door. I could come out, read a book, have a cup of coffee, and just listen to the birds and the bees. Now, the bees have kind of subsided, but boy, a month ago, they were everywhere. I had a good amount of butterflies last year, but that won't come for another month or two, so. But, you know, it's a little early for me. It's a little late for my spring part, so I just hope everybody enjoys the difference. In the fall, on a good rainy day, I'm going to come in and I'm going to take out a lot of the stuff that's kind of spread. I've got some spreaders over there, some bulbs, which are beautiful in the spring, but then they just keep growing, and it's like, oh my God, I have to get it under control. I have a butterfly bush, but you know, I've read that butterfly bushes don't feed them. Joe Pye weed and the fennel and the parsley, that's where they can lay their eggs on the Joe Pye weed and continue to feed. So that's why I did that. And it gets really tall over in the corner, but like I said, it's just coming up. But it's going to pop soon, and my daughters come and they pick it all. And one does different things with the lavender, and she loves it. I've got a couple of bird feeders, got a lot of birds that come through. I'm trying to read up more on that because there's a crow that comes around that's really interesting. But my favorite in the spring are the robins because, you know, they're running around on the road. You can see them.